For homeowners searching for window replacement Alvin TX, the right upgrade can transform curb appeal, comfort, and efficiency across properties in Alvin, Texas. 77511. Residential window replacement. Alvin projects often solve drafts, fogged glass, hard-to-open sashes, and outdated styles while improving the look of homes, Mustang Road, and neighborhoods throughout the South Houston metro. Whether you need replacement windows for homes, Alvin, new home windows, Alvin TX, or full window replacement services. Alvin, choosing a local window replacement service. Alvin, Texas means getting solutions built for Gulf Coast heat, humidity, wind, and seasonal storms. Energy-efficient windows. Alvin, Texas are one of the most popular choices for Alvin, Texas suburban home window upgrades because they help reduce solar heat gain and support year-round indoor comfort. Homeowners investing in energy-saving windows. Alvin TX often select insulated glass window replacement. Alvin double pane window replacement. Alvin TX and Alvin TX insulated replacement windows company services to lower utility strain and improve indoor temperature consistency. In window replacement in Alvin, Texas, 77511, advanced glass packages, low-E coatings, and insulated frames are especially valuable for homes exposed to long summer afternoons and changing coastal weather in Brazoria County TX. Vinyl window replacement Alvin TX remains a leading option for families wanting affordable replacement windows, Alvin without sacrificing durability or appearance. Many property owners compare window installers Alvin TX based on frame quality, weather resistance, maintenance needs, and long-term value, and vinyl continues to stand out for homes across Alvin, Manvel, Pearland, and nearby Santa Fe TX. Home window installation. Alvin TX using quality vinyl products can support smoother operation, cleaner sight lines, and dependable protection, making vinyl window installers near Alvin, Texas, a strong choice for everyday residential upgrades. Custom window replacement. Alvin, Texas is ideal when standard sizes do not fit older openings, or when homeowners want a more tailored design for their property. Alvin TX custom house windows installation can include unique dimensions, architectural styles, upgraded grids, decorative glass, and specialty shapes for renovations in established neighborhoods and newer developments alike. From picture window replacement Alvin TX in living rooms, to casement window replacement Alvin and sliding window replacement Alvin TX in bedrooms and family spaces, custom planning helps each opening match the home's layout, exterior design, and ventilation needs. Room-by-room improvements make house window upgrades Alvin TX especially practical for growing families and homeowners, updating targeted areas first. Bathroom window replacement. Alvin, Texas often focuses on privacy glass, moisture resistance, and easy cleaning, while bedroom window replacement Alvin TX may prioritize quiet performance, insulation, and secure locking features. Kitchen window replacement. Alvin can improve natural light over sinks and counters, and window glass replacement. Alvin TX may be the right answer when frames are still sound, but panes are cracked, cloudy, or no longer energy efficient. Affordability matters in every project, and affordable window replacement near Santa Fe TX or Alvin does not have to mean sacrificing product performance. Affordable replacement windows. Alvin can still include energy-efficient glass, durable vinyl frames, and attractive design options for homeowners wanting visible value from their investment. When evaluating window replacement Alvin TX, it helps to choose a local window replacement service. Alvin, Texas, with transparent pricing, dependable labor, and strong product choices for everything from basic window glass replacement Alvin TX to complete residential window replacement. Alvin. Window replacement in Alvin, Texas is ultimately about improving how a home looks, feels, and performs in daily life. Whether you need insulated glass window replacement Alvin, storm window replacement Alvin TX, custom window replacement Alvin Texas, or new home windows Alvin TX. The right solution can modernize your property while supporting comfort and efficiency. For homeowners looking for a trusted Alvin TX insulated replacement windows company, an experienced window replacement contractor Alvin TX, or the best replacement windows Alvin TX, local expertise in window replacement Alvin TX makes all the difference across Alvin, Brazoria County, and the surrounding South Houston metro area.